guys? It's Carlos from Your House Fitness, and today we're going to be talking about toe touches. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about the toe touch when it comes to abs. So this exercise is a great exercise to target your rectus abdominis and can be done at home or at the gym. You start off by lying down on your back with your feet up in the air. The feet should be at about 90 degrees. At this point, you're going to be trying to reach your toes with your hands. Your shoulder blades should come off the mat and you should feel a real big squeeze in the abs. If you can't reach your toes, you can go up to your shins. With the key here is really trying to squeeze the core and get that crunch feeling. A helpful tip for this exercise is exhaling as you're squeezing up and inhaling as you're extending. And that right there is the abdominal toe touch. Another thing in the gym that's called a toe touch is actually a stretch that you can do. And this stretch is to help you with your lower back and hamstring flexibility. You can do a standing or seated variation. And the key to this one is hinging with your hip, not with your back. So you don't want to round at the back and hinge at the waist. You actually want to push your hips back, make sure your legs are straight, and try reaching down to your toes. And here you can also reach for the shins, or if you go all the way down to the toes, go for it. So if you ever hear the term toe touch in the gym, it could be one of these two things. Well, I'm Carlos from Your House Fitness, and I'll see you guys in that next video. Peace.